What's up everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to change the battery in this Toyota Camry remote key fob. This key fob is going to work on the 2010 to 2011 Toyota Camry, including the Camry Hybrid, and it's going to use replacement battery CR1632. I'll put a link in the description box of this video to where you can find these replacement batteries if you're in need. So the first thing I'm going to do is grab my key fob and remove the emergency key that's in the bottom of it. That's done by pressing this button on the side of the fob that my thumb's on, and the emergency key will pull out like that. Now I'm going to hold the key fob with the buttons facing down, and if we take a look at the bottom of it, you can see there's this little notch right here that I'm touching with the end of the key. And if you notice, this key has a little bit of a lip on the end. So what I'm going to do is take my key and push it straight in that notch like that. Push it in as far as you can. Then I'm just going to twist the key like I'm opening a lock. And as I do that, you can see it starts to split the two halves apart. Go ahead and pull the back of your case off, and then we see our battery right here. And sometimes that circuit board may stick in the back. If it does, you can use the edge of your key to kind of pry it out gently. Either way, once we get that out, we can see our battery right here. Then what I'm going to do is take my key, and if you notice there's this little cutout right here. That's so you can take your key and get on the edge of it and pop that battery out. Once we get our old battery out, we can grab our new replacement battery, and you want to make sure that you're installing your new battery with the plus side up, positive side up, and I'll kind of tuck this edge in first, like that, and then snap the battery down into place. Then we need to make sure that our circuit board is sitting down in this clear rubber piece, like that, and then we can snap the two halves back together, slide our emergency key back in, and that's it. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.